Hey guys, it's Ryan here, Classic Improvement Products, coming to you from an installation in Laguna Hills. One of the products that we offer is the bug flap seal that's on the bottom of the garage doors. Now this is a project that you can actually do it yourself. If you're interested in doing this project yourself, give us a call, 866-567-0400, and our company can supply the product to you. As you can tell right here on the single car garage door that needs to be replaced, it's a very simple process. I'm gonna actually show you the installation right now. Man, I'm tired. That was crazy. See how fast I was moving? Check it out. Here's the new seal on the single car garage. Brand new. So what you want to do after you have the entire bug seal on the garage door itself is lower the garage door and make sure it closes properly. All right, check it out. Installation is complete. You got that new black bug flap seal on the bottom of the garage door. Helps keep the garage cleaner now. There's no gaps, so that means on windy days, the dirt and debris and leaves are not making their way into your garage. Give us a call, toll free, 866-567-0400. Our office can give you the price on a single car garage door bug flap or a double car garage door bug flap. Look forward to your call. Again, this is a project that you can do it yourself, or if you wanted us to, we can come out and do the installation for you. We can give you a price for either way. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.